Hey y'all, APG Jamie here. Welcome to the channel. I'm so happy that you are here. And like that picture shows, this is May. It's an open collab challenge. You can do it anytime during the month of May. May. Moo May, y'all. They were originally half the size. Well, they are. A Moo card is half the size of a standard business card. It was to save money for printing and all that kind of stuff and still have your business cards. This was way back. Y'all Google it. Okay? Okay. So an actual Mini Moo measures 1.1 inches by 2.75 inches. Okay, you can do the orientation of your choice. As I was going through all this, I realized I make a lot of horizontal Mini Moos. They're silly fun. You can do them any way you like. Okay, paint them, stencil them, collage them, draw them, stick them together. I mean, just whatever makes you happy. Okay, now, since doing this, I've also decided I might have a few extras I might want to swap. Should you be interested in doing a blind swap? What that means is you mail me 3 of your Mini Moo cards that you made. And when I get those 3, I will mail you 3 back. We neither one do picky choosing. All right? Okay. And that's just going to be during the month of May as well. So deadline, May, what's the last day? 31. 31 days in May, y'all. I didn't, okay, I had to look. I don't know that off the top of my head. So, yeah, evidently I make a lot of horizontal ones, aka landscape orientations. They're silly fun. You take your teeniest, tiniest of scraps and just put them together however they make you happy. Okay? Yeah. That's basically about it. So I have this tiny little words I printed off using the Dymo. And on that particular Mini Moo card that I'm working on, those are die cut crumbs. Leftover bits, crumbs, the part you didn't particularly want to use, but you're going to because now they're cool. Because now they're super cool on account of they have become a Mini Moo. Okay? Now, I'm not going to have a video every day. Not necessarily going to have a Mini Moo video every week. Okay? Okay. But you can challenge yourself. It's a challenge, y'all. Open collab challenge. Play, win if you want to. Anywho, I decided being how those die cut crumbs were from file folder looking little tiny things, we were going to make a permanent record. So there we go. It's a permanent record. I put labels on the back of mine because that's just kind of what I do. I do the same thing with just about every postcard and artist trading card coins and souvenir coins, yeah, all that, because that's what I do. So I put a label on the back of these. If you're going to swap with me, please be sure to label or otherwise sign the back of your card so I know who made it. Okay? Okay. So I decided to put diamonds on here. You can if you want to. You can make them 3D-ish. Just stop and think about how you may use them or otherwise store them. Look at that. Oh, it's a permanent record. There are lots of folders on me, I'll tell you what. Okay. You can round the corners, not round the corners. You want to lop the corners off? Lop the corners off. You want to ink them? Ink them. And this particular one we're inking. I don't necessarily ink. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I ink some of the stuff on my work, but not all the stuff. Now, I was first introduced to MiniMoos by Leah DePina and Scrappy Lolly Paper Co. Okay. They did an open collab for you making them and stuff like that, and that's been a couple of years ago or so, and I've been making them ever since. They get posted on Instagram on Mondays. Monday Mini Moo card. Mini Moo Monday. That's it. Mini Moo Monday. Anyway, I believe when I share it to Instagram, it shares over to Facebook as well. Don't hold me to that, but I'm pretty sure that's how that works on my stuff anyway. So, yeah, tiniest of scraps or not, you can specifically, you can use stickers. I've used stickers. Y'all put pockets on them. I've put little tiny little notepads on them just because I can, because I enjoy making them. Y'all know those little tiny snippets Timmy makes? They work real well on these things. Just saying. Anywho, that is a Stardust pen. It's a glitter ink that's translucent glitter, and the color underneath shines through, if that makes any sense. Translucent. Another little label. I don't know how many I have on a standard sheet of U.S. paper. I don't know how many prints out. I just print a page when I need a page. And I clip them apart and keep them paper clipped together in a little special spot on my desk. And y'all, I will tell you, you might find yourself keeping crumbs and stuff you wouldn't necessarily keep. If you start making these, you'd be like, oh yeah, that'd be Mini Moo right there. Y'all. And, people are doing the Twinchies. That's a 2-inch by 2-inch square with piece of art. Same thing. Collage, paint, draw, stencil, whatever makes you happy. Make your art, y'all. Oh, so pretty. I had that little tiny piece of silver foil, just that plastic foil stuff, and I just used a zig double two-way glue. I don't know. Hopefully I put it in the list description below the video. Hopefully. Now this particular one was made back around Easter time. Oh, the swap is March of 2026, y'all. I can't guarantee I have any or will be swapping after that fact, but you never know. My mailing address is in the description below the video as well, along with hopefully a list of ingredients. Scraps. I mean, you're basically going to use scraps. Now, this is a 3D sticker I think I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and that could have been any time since the plague. Okay? So any time in the last 4 or 5 years. Okay? I didn't want that particular color, so I am just painting over the bunny with a tan acrylic paint. Craft paint. That's craft with a T, not P. And here are some more stickers. I don't know if these were Hobby Lobby. They could have been Dollar Tree. I don't know. If there's 2 of them in there, it's probably Dollar Tree. And if I really liked them, I bought 2 packages. That's why there's 2 of them in there. I don't keep all the packaging because, it's the same thing. And this particular stickers have pop dots on them. Well, actually, it's the pop dot. That's the sticker part. And I wanted one flat and one flatter. And the bunny had pop dots on it too. And I think I took one off, but not both. And I'm just going to layer up these little flowers on a piece of, I think that particular little 1.1 by 2.75 piece of card, I believe it was packaging. But I'm not going to swear to that either, because I don't know. I get nice sturdy little strips that are the approximate right size. I trim them down and keep them in the spot where I keep my labels. So anytime I want to do something, I don't got a lot of time, I can just go out there and grab scraps and stick them together. Makes me happy. Oh, magazine images. I've used magazines, pictures. Yeah. Your imagination is your only limitation. Okay. So we've got our little flowers, and I'm going to piddle around with it for a while. This is my how to make them video. Okay. We'll have a how to use them video at some point during the month. And I plan on having a how to store them, should you happen to store them. Okay. You can always share them. Swap them, y'all. Or share them. Either way. Put them on a greeting card. This would be so cute. Oh, well, it'd be a pretty small little greeting card. But, I should have done that. Could still, maybe will do that. Just saying. Sometimes you just got to keep talking to get your ideas worked out, right? Well, I do anyway. So, that. Yep, that. Let's see what else. Just lining that up till it kind of makes me happy. And I'm like, yeah, that kind of makes me happy. Tweezers. Want to try to keep things in order. Don't forget, you can always take a photo with your cellular device, should you have one, should you want to, so that you can see how you had it arranged and you liked it. But you don't have to keep them arranged like that. You can rearrange them and glue them down any way you want to. It's just a little tip for trying to remember how you had it that you liked it. And that's what I'm saying, in a roundabout hard way. So, I'm going to put a little more glue, because I just stuck down just a little bit of glue just to help get it initiated. Okay. So, now we're gluing them down more. Oh, you could put tuck spots on these little things, y'all. It's possible. I've done it. I have done it more than once. And, yeah. Diamonds, threads, fibers, stickers. I already said stickers like a million times. No, it just kind of feels that way. Round the corners, don't round. I already said all that too, didn't I? Now I got a little glue scrooched out. Now the glue will dry clear, so it doesn't matter. I just didn't want a bubble of glue right there. And by bubble, I just mean that kind of thing. Yeah. And I'm afraid I don't have the ta-da hands, so we're not going to have a ta-da hands. But please consider this ta-da photo montage. It is very short and very quick. Okay, I hope you can join along. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Happy Artin Y'all.